All right, continuing to monitor the tropics as we get deeper into hurricane season. Not concerned with this wave. This is going to move into the northern Atlantic. All eyes have been on this tropical wave off the western coast of Africa. National Hurricane Center giving this now a 90% chance of development into a tropical depression within the next couple of days or so. Two things to consider. One, the wave is displaced from the thickest plumes of hair and dust, so this could help development, but we'll have to see if there's interaction with this dust. Provided that there's no more interaction with hair and dust and the wind profiles are favorable, look at all these warm sea surface temperatures. There's a good likelihood that we could get some kind of hurricane by the time that wave makes it to towards the Lesser Antilles, I should say, north of it, by the time we get to next weekend. So again, this is a ways out. And by then, look at this. The forecast model tracks a degree of uncertainty on where this goes by then. So lots of time to watch this, and it's going to be over a week before we maybe see any potential impacts along the East Coast. Of course, we're going to be watching it. But again, lots of time to watch it, no doubt. Now, the weather's been nice and quiet today. It's been pleasant, really. Just a little uptick in humidity. And we are noticing some more moisture to our south, some clouds and showers. And over the course of the next couple of days, this moisture will gradually lift north. So we could see an isolated shower on Tuesday and maybe even an isolated shower or thunderstorm for your day on Wednesday. And in the process of doing so, this high pressure is going to slowly lift to the north and east. And what that's going to do in the wake of it, it's going to turn our winds more to a southerly direction. These onshore winds have been keeping our temperatures nice and comfortable, but because of the southerly winds that will be taking shape later this week, we will see increase in both the temperatures and the humidity. This plume of higher dew points to our south and the west will kind of converge and increase our humidity as we go forward. So getting more sticky on Tuesday, and then through the middle of the week into this upcoming weekend, dew points will be more elevated, right around that 70-degree mark. And that will be accompanied by some hotter temperatures. In fact, by the middle of this week, we could be seeing our first 90-degree day so far this month. But it's nowhere near that right now. Temperatures are in the upper 70s and lower 80s, 81 degrees with Connie and Greenwood, and 77 degrees with Joe in Bishopville. So tomorrow's going to be another nice day. I think we will start off with areas of patchy fog as well. There could be a few 50s, but I think that's going to be fewer and far between, I should say, than what we did see for the past couple of mornings. But still, a few 50s will be possible. Lower to mid 80s for tomorrow with mostly sunny skies breaking out during the afternoon. And by Tuesday, while it's a very low chance, there could be an isolated shower later in the day, though most of us, I think, are going to be remaining dry. Next substantial chance, I think, for a few showers, maybe a couple of thunderstorms will come by Thursday with that cold front approaching. And it's not going to really be bringing a substantial drop in temperatures and humidity. It's going to kind of dissipate rather than a full-on clean sweep, I should say. So we'll keep it a bit on the warmer side and muggy side as we go into next weekend. 59 to 64 degrees with patchy fog developing late. Marine forecast for tomorrow is looking good. Nice and calm out there. Mostly sunny skies developing in the afternoon. Temperatures between 82 and 87 degrees. So an isolated shower will be possible on Tuesday and even an isolated thunderstorm possible on Wednesday. High temperature of 91 degrees, near 90 once again on Thursday, with isolated thunderstorms possible later in the day. And right now the weekend's looking better. Temperatures in the 80s, lows in the 60s.